So today we got Planescape, the box set we've been waiting for, hoping that it's not the next Spelljammer. Let's have a look. I've seen unboxings where people get an extraordinarily large or ornate knife. No one cares you get a piece of paper on the back, so shut up. DM screen, that's what I'm looking at first, because that's what interests me. So let's look at one of these panels. It's a nice start. Two mid panels look like this. Modrons? Some flying celestials, perhaps? Is this the... Oh, is this Sigil? Not sure what this is in the sky. The other two panels... What's this? Something on legs? That looks like a massive mud mephit or whatever. Little frog. That is lovely though. Especially that little skull. Magma mephit. Nice little hologram. I always like this bit. Okay, things you can do on your turn. Good for new DMs to tell their players. Long jump, high jump, and then the concentration rules. I like this rule. Overwhelmed by an enormous distraction, such as a wave crashing into you. Cover. I think cover is important, because a lot of people do forget. My players generally don't take cover for some reason. It's free AC bonus, for God's sake. Obscured areas, so yeah, light levels. Quick damage by severity if you're making it up. Exhaustion, it's a must. This can be useful. I pretty much set everything at 15, I'm just lazy like that. Yeah, this is quite standard to find on the generic DM screens. Skills, yeah. Conditions, I mean, for me, they come up in every single game. So one panel on conditions is fine. Gate towns of the Outlands. Okay, and even a map to reinforce what is where. That's useful because I know nothing about this setting. Ascendant factions. All will become clear, I guess. Wards of Sigil. Encounters, be it in Sigil or in the Outlands. Planar portals. Use the planar portals table to generate a portal, be it in Sigil or another fantastic realm. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so Furnace Door goes to the Bank of Abathor or the Nine Hells. Sample keys, pinch of sulfur, signed contract. So this is a cursory glance, okay? Don't hate on me. I do plan to do a more in-depth look for each book. So Mort's Planar Parade. So this is more the stat block one. Sunflies, is that what it was? Stat blocks by challenge rating, sure. Planar alignment. So you grant a creature the alignment for where it's from. Like the Beastlands, Arcadia, Bitopia, Gehenna, Limbo. Denizens of the Outlands. Aberrations might change to the Outlands, pursuing all manner of schemes and sustenance. So things of the Outlands, Outland Dragons, Giants Fair, also of the Outlands. Lantern Archon, Bearnorth, if that's how you say it. Some sort of satyr looking thing. Is that right? Satyr? Centaur? Never know. Cranium Rats, oh, I've heard of those before, they're good. Ooh, that's nice. A Dark Weaver. Challenge 10. Eater of Knowledge, Githzerai, Gardenal? I wonder if these things mean anything from old editions, whether you're excited about this or the Modrons are just... Is it Modron? Is it Modron? Planar Incarnate. I am going to take a deeper look at some of these. Beautiful. In a separate video, as I say. Time Dragons. This is what I'll probably do a single video about, because that sounds exciting. All the different ages of Time Dragon. Faction Agents. Hands of Havoc. Firestarter. Dust Remnant. Well, these are new. I'll say that for it. Another Encounter Builder roll table. Okay. I'm taking these out in the order that they came out of the box, and this seems to be like the main setting book. Disclaimer, thank you. The factions of the City of Doors are not responsible for symptoms associated with accidentally happening upon the cage. Please consult your doctor if you experience any of the following: upset stomach, nausea, existential dread, clethrophobia, or an irresistible urge to wax poetic about philosophies relating to the multiverse. So, I know it's called the City of Doors, right? It focuses on the Outlands and Sigil itself. Sure, okay. It's the centre of the multiverse. Character options, Gate Warden. Gate Warden trinkets, or a planar philosopher. Feats, Agent of Order, Scion of the Outer Planes. Some spells, we have Gate Seal, Warp Sense, magic items. Mimur, Sensory Stone. Oh, apparently it comes with a map. Yes, it does. Nice. Portals. So portals go in and out. Yeah, because it's the City of Doors. It's the end of Monsters Inc., where all the doors lead to different children's bedrooms for nightmares and stuff. Factions. The Sigil Gazetteer, presumably the newspaper, right? Clark's Ward. Reminded me of the Ravnica book about all the wards and stuff, the way it's split out into sections. And all the factions therein. Lady of Pain is not someone... Ooh, that's cool. She's not someone I know a lot about. Infinite Wealth. The lower ward. There's always like a rich and a lower. Market Ward. It's nice. I do like the colours scheme, I must say. Under Sigil. Adventures in Sigil. Adventure hooks. Faction missions. Sigil Calamites. Encounters in Sigil. The Outlands. Gate Towns. So what's the link between the Modrons, or is it Modrons? Don't know. Bedlam. They seem to be quite prevalent. I look forward to digging deeper into this ecstasy. Excelsior. Okay, so these are the areas. I am completely guessing. Yeah, Adventures in Plague Mort. Not much. Only like 2 pages per place. I mean, I hope this is useful, because that is a very, to me, sparse rundown of each area. This looks like a nice map. And then that's the other side. Okay, question. Is there enough for me to run something from that sparse information? And then Turn of Fortune's wheel, we would imagine, is the adventure. Let's see what it says. Levels 3 to 10. With a dramatic jump to level 17. Puzzling, but intriguing. I will do a video on this. Let's have a quick, spicy run through. Let's not go through the quick description of the adventure. Okay, so that's the Mortuary, Philosophers. I'm just trying to... Walking Castle. So it's got a Walking Castle in it. Good. Modrons. Yes. I don't want to spoil it. Turn off if you wish. And... Ooh, that looks a bit Necron-like from Warhammer. I don't know what you got from the pictures, but I like the look of that. Don't moan at me. I am doing you a favour by not going more in depth. However, keep watching the channel if you want to look deeper into these things and you're not afraid of spoilers. I like the colour scheme, and I like the fact that I know nothing about it. So I look forward to digging deeper. Thanks for watching for now. I'll see you in another one if you come back.